Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Mustafa Daud Gatpan, NDP 502624171, Prodi Sistem Informasi, kelas B IT. Saya akan menjelaskan tentang lab getting familiar with the Linux shell. In this lab, you'll use Linux command line to manage files and folders and perform some basic administrative tasks. Part 1, shell basics. Part 2, copying, deleting, and moving files, recommend equipment, security workstation, virtual machines. Part 1, shell is basics. The shell is the term used to refer the command interpreter in Linux, also known as terminal, command line, and command prompt. The shell is very powerful way to interact with Linux computer. Step 1, access the command line, log into a CyberOps workstation using the password CyberOps. The command analyst is used as example user. To the terminal, display menus pages from the command line. You can display command line using the man command. A man page, short for manual page, is a built-in documentation of the Linux commands. Terminal, you go man. Yep, silakan baca sendiri. Name a few sections that are included in the man page. Maaf. Bisa dilihat di sini ada name, synopsis, description, examples, overview. Description, examples. Tap Q to exit the main page. Yeah. Use the man command to learn more about the cp command. Man cp. What is the function of the cp command? Jadi kita lihat di sini cp adalah copy files and directories. Jadi fungsinya itu untuk copy files and directories. What command we use to find out about the pwd command? What is the function? Jadi sama seperti yang sebelumnya untuk mencari man dan cp. Pwd print name of current working directory. Kita gunakan di man uh, man pwd is used to print name of current or working directory. Step 3, create and change directories. In this step, you'll use the change directory, cd, make directory, mkdir, and list directory, ls commands. Type pwd at the prompt. Pwd. What is the current directory? Kita lihat, kita akan home analyst. Home. Nah, home. Yep. Navigate to home analyst directory if it is not your current directory. Type cd home analyst. Yes. Type ls minus l, the command prompt to list files that are in the current folder. Standing for list, the minus L option detects the size, permission, ownership, and the ls dash L. Oh, yeah. In the current directory, use mkdir command to create three new folders: sitepost underscore folder 1, sitepost underscore folder 2, and sitepost underscore folder 3. And press enter. Repeat these steps to create sitepost folder 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Uh, mkdir psyops folder 1 and type ls minus L2 verify. Lihat di sini ada psyops folder 1 sampai 3. Type cd home analyst psyops folder 3 at the command prompt and press enter. Oh, analyst slash psyops folder 3. Yep. Which folder are you in now? Kita berada slash home analyst slash, kita lihat di sini analyst psyops folder. Bisa kita lihat di sini. Change the command cd and describe what happened. Type command cd and see what happens. Apa yang terjadi? Apa yang terjadi? Kita lihat sayap menghilang, jadi kita balik ke awal. Kita balik ke home analyst. We return to press home analyst direct. Use mkdir command to create a new folder named psyops4 inside the psyops3 folder. mkdir as psyops folder psyops. Correct, and enter. Use ls command to verify the folder creation. Oh, maaf. Kita gunakan yang ini. Bisa lihat sayap folder 4. Up to this point, we have been using full or absolute paths. Absolute path is the term used when referring to paths that always pass through a directory. It is also possible to work with relative paths. Relative paths reduce the amount of text to be typed. To understand relative paths, you must understand the dot and the double dot directories from site-follow-tree directory issue as ls-la. ls-la, home analysis styles, apps, folders, tab, is that the same as this one. The -a option tells ls to show all files. Notice the dot and the double dot listing shown by list. These listings are used by the operating system to track the current directory and the parent directory, double dot. You can see the use of dot and double dot when using the cd command to change directories. Using the cd command to change directory to the dot directory incurs no visible directory change as dot points to the current directory itself. Change the current directory to /home/analyst Cyclops auto Cyclops follow 3. Home and sign up folder. And then type cd cd dot. What happens? Well, nothing. As mentioned before, the dot directory incurs no visible directory change as the dot points to the current directory itself. So nothing. Changing the directory to the double dot directory will change the directory that is one level up. This directory is also known as parent directory. Type cd double dot. What happens? Well, the directory is changed to the parent, which is analyst, the home one, home analyst, /analyst. What would be the current directory if you issue the cd double dot command at analysis at this one? Well, let's run. Hmm, it goes to home slash home. But would we do it again? Oh, we go to slash well slash. What would be the current directory if you cd again? It doesn't change. It doesn't. as it is the rules. Step 4. Redirect outputs. Another powerful command line operator in Linux is known as redirect, represented as this symbol, arrow greater than symbol, I don't know. This operator allows the output of command to be redirected to some location other than the current terminal window, the default. Use cd command to change to the home analyst directory. Use the echo command to echo message. Because no output was defined, echo will put the current terminal window. Yeah, damn chicken. Echo, this is a message. Echo, terminal echo. Oh, let me do that. Icon, yeah, damn. I got the village. Oh, try that again. Think, yep. Use the this operator to redirect the output of echo to a text file instead of to the screen. Okay, let's try it again. Paste. Uh, this sum underscore text underscore file txt. Sum underscore text underscore file txt. No output was shown. Was that expected? Explain. Yes, because the output was directed to some text file .txt. Yes, the output, as previously explained, was redirected to a text file. Notice that even though some text file .txt file did not exist prior to the echo command, it was automatically created to receive the output generated by echo. Use this ls-l command to verify if the file was really created. Uh, some file, some text file, .txt. Yes, use the cat command to display the contents of some text file. Hmm. Once again, what happened to the text file? Explain. Use wait, I'm sorry. Use the slash operator again to redirect a different echo output of echo to the same sum text file.txt text file. That is again, use the cat command to display the contents of some text file.txt. See, the message-nya berubah. Awalnya ini, kemudian ke ini. What happened to the text file? Explain. Isinya, the contents was replaced. Because the operator uh, redirected a different message to this file. Step 5. Redirect and append to a text file. Similar to the operator, we have the double arrow operator also allows for redirecting data to files. The difference is that this appends the data to the end of the referred file, keeping the current contents intact. To append a message to the some text file list, issue the comment below. This is another line of text. I'm going to copy this line, plug it in, let's check. Use the cat command to display the contents of some text file.txt. What happened to the text file? A new text was added to the file because the operator uh, appended the output file. Step 6. Work with hidden files in Linux. In Linux, files with names begin with a single dot are not shown by default. While dot files have nothing else special about them, they are called hidden files because of this feature. Examples of hidden files are .file5, .file6, and so on. Use ls-l to display the files stored in the analyst home directory. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many files will it say? 11. Use ls-la command to display all files in the home directory of analyst, including the hidden files. ls-la. Ooh, now that's quite a lot. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 33. Jadi tambah 20 karena because it also shows giving parts. Is it possible to hide entire directories by adding a dot before its name as well? Are there any directories in the output of ls-la above? Ya, yes. Ada banyak tadi yang hidden, yang tidak muncul pada ls-la. Give three examples of hidden files shown on the output of ls-la above. Ada dash hidden, dash cache, dash config, dash no, dash local, cache config no. No. Type the man ls command at the prompt to learn more about the ls command. Next, use the down arrow key one line at a time or spacebar to scroll down the page to locate the -a option used above and read its description to familiarize yourself with the ls-a command. This, this, they do not ignore entries starting with single dot. So that's why the hidden files were shown. Jadi ini do not ignore tidak apa biaskan file entries yang berawal dengan single dot. Jadi mengapa file-file yang hidden muncul? Part 2, copying, deleting, and moving files. Step 1, copying files. The cp command is used to copy files around the local system. When using cp, a new copy of the file is created and placed in the specific location, leaving the original file intact. The first parameter is the source file and the second is destination. Issue the command below to copy some text file from the home directory to the sciops folder. Press Q to quit, Q forgot, text file.txt, then we sciops folders. So that's correct. Yes. Identify the parameters in the cp command above. What are the source and destination files? Well, asalnya the source itu home analyst. Kemudian some text. Kemudian destination-nya adalah home as sciops folder to some text file.txt. Jadi source-nya di sini, kemudian kita pindah ke sciops folder 2. The is command is use the ls command to verify some text file.txt is now in sciops folder 2. So ls see, dilihat some text file.txt. Use the ls command to verify that some text file.txt is also in the home directory. Yes, ada di sini. Step 2. Deleting files and directories. Use the rm command to remove files. Issue the command below to remove the file sometextfile.txt from home directory. This command is then used to show that the file sometext.txt has been removed from the home directory. Jadi kita awalnya menggunakan ini, kemudian ini untuk membuktikan bahwa setelah di delete. Kita cek, lihat, menghilang. Kalau di sini, kemudian tidak ada. In Linux, directories are seen as a type of file. As such, the rm command is also used to delete directories, but the -r recursive option must be used. Notice that all files and other directories inside a given directory are also deleted when dealing a paired directory with the recursive option. Issue the command below to delete the psyops folder 1 and its contents. Kita ingat psyops folder 1 rm recursive psyops folder. Kita cek. Nah, sudah tidak ada. Step 3. Moving files and directories. Moving files work similarly to copying files. The difference is that moving a file removes it from its original location. Use the mv command to move files around like the global file system. Like the cp commands, the mv commands also require source and destination parameters. Issue the command below to move some text file.txt from home analyst psyops folder 2 back to home directory. mv and back. Ingat, dot ini untuk kembali ke home. Kita cek ls minus l. Total 0, udah pindah dia. Kita cek di home. Balik lagi. Kita lihat hilang. Jadi kita hapus. Kemudian kita pindah balik lagi ke home. What command did you use to accomplish the task? mv. mv. IOPS. Folder 2 bash. What are the advantages of using command line? Dari setelah kita pelajari, command line itu ada banyak gunanya. Linux command line mempunyai banyak kegunaan. Itulah untuk lab dua klik 7 lab, getting familiar with the Linux shell. Terima kasih untuk menjawab. Terima kasih untuk eh, menonton video saya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.